Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your account and app are current. Update now and log in. Film a vertical 9:16 clip with a clear visual hook in the first 3 seconds so viewers don't swipe away. Once done, trim to 60 seconds or less and pick trending audio. Spotlight favors quick engagement. Make sure captions, tags, and any stickers support the idea. Concise context increases watch-through and share potential. Now you optimize for discovery. Choose trending music and write a concise description that includes keywords. Spotlight surfaces videos by engagement and relevance. Edit for pacing, quick cuts, clear lighting, and one focal subject, because algorithms reward watch-through and replays. Once edited, submit through the Spotlight upload flow, add tags and a short description, and enable public sharing. That ensures Snapchat can categorize and serve your clip to interested viewers. Finish by actively promoting the Spotlight. Ask friends to watch, share, and replay in the first 24 to 48 hours since early engagement is critical for ranking. If your clip isn't approved or gets low visibility, review Spotlight rules for copyright or policy strikes, adjust the content, then re-upload. If technical issues persist, report the problem through Snapchat support and wait 24 hours before retrying. Often a small edit or fresh upload restores eligibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.